Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring hardware and accounts match. Make sure the Nest Doorbell is powered and reset if it previously paired. Open Google Home on your phone, sign in with the same Google account used on your Nest Hub, and have your Wi-Fi name and password ready. Once done, place the doorbell near your router for stable pairing. This avoids dropped setup steps and speeds the process. Now tap the plus icon in Google Home to add a device and choose Set up a device. You'll now perform the detailed pairing. In Google Home, choose Add, Set up Device, then New Device and pick your home. Scan the QR code on the back of the Nest Doorbell or type the setup code if scanning fails. This links the device to the app. Make sure to choose the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The doorbell needs access to the same network as your hub. Accept camera and microphone permissions so live view and notifications work correctly. Finish by assigning the doorbell to the same room as your Nest Hub in Google Home so the hub can display video. Under Device Settings, enable streaming, visitor announcements, and any preferred notifications. Then test by opening Live View from the hub and pressing the doorbell to check announcements and chime. If the hub won't show video, restart the hub and router. Confirm both devices are on the same 2.4/5 GHz network and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.